Hey guys, today we're gonna be comparing KitKat cereal versus Oreo cereal. Let's see which one's better. First, we have to pick a cereal bowl. So which one should I choose? The basketball one or this green one with a straw? The green one with the straw. What? This is not even that cool. This is a basketball plate. And you could pour the milk here. Are you sure we shouldn't go with this one? Oh yeah, you do? You do want to go with it? Okay, yay! So we're gonna go with the basketball one. Should I pour the milk in the cereal first or the cereal? Cereal? Why? I like doing the milk first because I like crunchy cereal. You don't want that? Fine, I'll only do it for you. But it's not gonna taste as good. I don't know which one to start with, the Oreos or the Kit Kats. Should I do Oreos? Because I prefer Oreos over Kit Kat. Yeah? Oreo first? Okay. Tap your nose 2 times to make the cereal appear in the bowl. Whoa! We have the cereal. Now snap your hands 2 times to make the milk appear. It didn't work. I guess we're gonna have to add the milk ourselves. But it's okay because we're gonna do it through this hoop. Look at how cool. Okay. Whoa. So cool. Whoa. All right, I have a spoon right here. We're gonna try it out. I'm excited. All right. Cheers. It tastes like Cocoa Puffs. I feel like I'm eating Cocoa Puffs. But it kind of does taste like Oreos a little bit, but not really. If you want it to taste like Oreos, you really have to think about it. Like, okay, think about Oreos. Yeah, it only works when you think about Oreos. But it tastes like Cocoa Puffs. We're gonna try the Kit Kat in another bowl. I didn't go for the green bowl because I'm afraid it's gonna taste like vegetables. So yeah, we're gonna go with this one. Or wait, you know what? The vegetables are actually very healthy for you, so I'm not afraid. We're gonna go with the green one, okay? And it's cool, it has a straw. I'm excited! Whoa, I wonder if it's actually gonna taste like Kit Kat. Cheers. OMG. It actually does kind of taste like Kit Kat. A little bit. Let me try this by itself. When you eat it by itself, it tastes like chips. You need it with the milk. Yeah. It doesn't really taste like Kit Kat that much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Same like the Oreos, you have to think about Kit Kats to taste a Kit Kat, you know? Like, let me think about Kit Kats. Yeah, tastes like Kit Kat. It's all mental, you gotta think. Comment down below which cereal you would wanna try, the Oreo or the Kit